Hey everyone, I'm on vacation in Oslo, Norway, and we're here in front of these ships to talk about something that I'll do the next video on, which is a company called Eneti that I mentioned a couple of times in previous videos. And if you've been watching it, it's up about 30 to 50% from where I first mentioned it in a video a couple of months ago. So we'll talk about that video and that company and what's happening and the connection to Oslo, Norway, because they are merging with a um, Norwegian company called Cadeler. And when I have more time, I'll do a video on it. But this is just a teaser, a heads up that it's on its way. I should have done it earlier, and maybe you guys would have followed into it or not. And it's doing really well from when I started talking about it. But I think it's still got some room to go, and we'll talk about operating leverage in that industry. And it's a specialized industry dealing with offshore wind turbine installation vessels. And I think I'll go over Eneti, the company it's merging with, Cadeler, and some kind of related companies like Tidewater, which does these offshore wind installation vessels, along with some other service vehicles for offshore projects. And Tidewater, I believe there's a big investor in it, Robert Robotti, who's an investing legend. But we'll talk about Eneti and Cadeler and Tidewater and some of the other companies that are involved in this space, which do other things. Like there's a company that is very profitable that installs the cables that go from wind farms to wherever the power needs to go, but they're involved in so many other things that it would be hard to view that as a pure play. But there are some pure play companies in the industries you can get involved in, and hopefully I'll go over that next time.